Hey guys, Mario here with Florida Flexible, and today I want to discuss with you guys the Surest DTF 12-inch printer, and it also includes the powder applicator, shaker with the heater. This model right here comes equipped with two heads. The white and the colors are separate. It actually prints faster than our smaller unit that perhaps you guys have seen, our other desktop F1000 model. Over here, we're going to print from a roll just the same, except that what it's going to happen is this roll, as it's printed, will pass through the powder applicator, the shaker, the heater, and then it gets rolled up right here. So when you're running large productions, this is the perfect unit for you. We will get into the other models later, the larger 24-inch, but for now, I want to just talk to you guys a little bit about, number one, the cost of the goods and the production cost of the unit. I also want to discuss with you guys a little bit of how fast it prints in comparison to the other units, and then show you guys the key features that are in this model included. Let's begin with basically the software. So I'm going to take you over here to what comes equipped with this model, and this would be the Flexi Print, which is an excellent program. It's super easy to work with. We could double click the file once we have it, and we can take a look at the colors. It will balance and target your Pantone color if needed right here with this feature. It will also control how much white it's depositing right back here. It will give you also the ability to resize and also crop areas that you don't want included in the transfer. And the final thing is going to be right over here. It will give you the ability to either put white behind the transfer or not. Some customers prefer to print exclusively for white shirts, and if that's the case, then you can omit the white print, which is a feature that comes included right here with the Flexi. Once the file has been sent and ready to print, we basically move over to this other program, and what we're doing here is sending that file to print. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you this little file right here. This is probably something that it's about 12 by 20, and once I send it to print, it's going to give us a clock right here, a small countdown, telling us how long it will take to complete the print job. Just to give you guys an idea of cost, obviously the supplies that are needed are the film, the powder, and the inks, and we're looking at something in the size of a yard, which is 3 feet long by 12 inches. You're looking at approximately $2.50 for the cost on that. The production rate right now for 12 by 20, you're looking at about 5 minutes of printing. So it's a lot faster than our desktop model, and it's going to give you basically a little bit better quality on the print. We've actually have the two heads that we have there are going to be the Epson XP600. It will print the white first, the colors first, and then the white right after that. I want to give you guys a close-up here to what happens as it prints. So right now it's laying down the colors, and then immediately after that you can see the white being deposited right there. As soon as that passes through here, it'll go through the powder, this is the area where we apply the powder. This is the shaker section where it's going to begin to shake the film and get rid of the powder, the excess powder, and then after that it'll start rolling into here. So if you take a look at the section over here where the controls are, we have independent temperature, shaker, and feeder. So I'm going to turn on the heater. It's basically in Celsius, so it'll go 109 is the target. It's going to start climbing up. This is my target temperature. This is my current temperature. It's going to start climbing. I'm going to apply the shaker, and then I'm going to apply the powder applicator right here. So these three work in conjunction, and as soon as the sensor that's located right here at the bottom senses the paper, it will begin to feed it through the dryer. I already said 5 minutes for 24, but I could say that a full yard will take about 8 minutes. So this model, very compact, excellent for a small shop, excellent to actually have it at home as well. It actually runs on 110, both units. The shaker and the dryer and the printer, both are 110 capable. So easy to set it up at the house, garage, spare room, or in a small shop. It's easy to get through the doors. We provide for you guys the training and the installation. Reach out to us if you have any other questions. And the only other thing I want to add is one of the things that people ask us is the cost of how much it'll take for the yard. So a yard of material, which is approximately 3 feet, you're looking at about approximately $2.50 for the cost of that entire yard. And that includes the cost of the film, the ink, and the powder. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And what I'd like you guys to do is to check us out on the social media. Visit us on our webpage, floridaflex.com, and feel free to reach out to us for any questions you have. And thank you for watching.